Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Google Pixel 6 to an Android device. Start by opening Play Store on both smartphones. Then click on the search bar, type Send Anywhere and download this free app from this developer. I already did that on my Android because it was taking a lot of time, so I can click on Open right away. Choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow, then do the same on Google. Now you need to select Receive on an Android and Send on Google. Then click on all of those type of dots and choose Send. This way you will send all of those files. It will take a long time though, so I will go with only one photo, just send and click Got it. From here we have two ways to connect. We can scan QR code by clicking on the scanning icon on an Android, selecting Allow in the pop-up and pointing device's camera at the code. But we can also, sorry misclick, just input this key over here. Then choose Receive and wait. As you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!